Day 27 in the 30 Days to a Screenplay Screenwriting Challenge. Screenwriter-palooza. I don't remember what I'm calling it. I really don't know. I should have. Welcome to Day 27. Your character has reached a devastating failure. Everything they've tried before has not worked. And now they've come up with a new plan. And now they've got to make a decision. They've got to make a change. Right? Man in the mirror. Make a change. I can't do Michael Jackson. Okay. And we're going to need to watch them. This is a key here. This is a scene in which we watch them make a decision that transforms them as a person and allows them to move beyond the lie that is holding them back, or it's a moment in which they double down on that lie and will be doomed forever. For instance, Luke Skywalker is posed a question: do I use the targeting computer or do I use the Force to fire the shot? I always like to think about these things as what if he makes the wrong decision? What would happen? He fires a shot with a targeting computer. He's like, hey, targeting computers exist for a reason. Why wouldn't I use it? That makes no sense. Fires a shot, fails, and now it's just a tragedy. Just like a sad, he flies off to another planet lonely and everybody's dead. Wouldn't make a very good movie, would it? No. On another hand, another flip of that, a tragedy, let's say, in Vertigo, and spoiler alert, just hit the little L to fast forward a minute if you don't want to know the end of these movies if you haven't seen them. In Vertigo, Jimmy Stewart has found this woman that he loves reincarnated in this form of this like lowbrow lady played by Kim Novak. That's really the same person. And he forces her into the dress and to dye her hair, to wear her hair the same way as the woman he tragically lost. And this is his all is lost moment. This is his doubling down, his failure. This is the decision that he makes that dooms him forever and dooms her. Napoleon Dynamite, going through an entire story of being just a selfish weirdo, has an opportunity where he can help his friend Pedro. And he makes a decision. He looks at the tape. Should I humiliate myself in front of the entire school and maybe save my friend? Or do I keep myself insulated? And he makes the decision. He dances. That is his big change moment. This is how we know he's been transformed by the story. So at this moment, your character is going to make a decision. It's going to either free them or doom them. And we have to watch them make that decision. This is maybe the most important part of the film, so no pressure. But tomorrow, depending on this decision they make, we will decide if they are to be rewarded or punished. See you then.